Be happier. I absolutely love it. Hello and welcome, beautiful people. Grace is here. I'm a holistic, well-aging practitioner. Today, I would love to share my favorite topical products with you for anti-aging. No, aging beautifully. Okay, let's get straight to the point. Are you familiar with the vitamin A creams? I recommend Differin. Topical vitamin A called retinoid is the single most used and the most studied anti-aging compounds. There are 3 generations of retinoid. Adapalane is a 3rd generation retinoid. The main difference is that Adapalane is not as harsh on the skin as the 1st or 2nd generation retinoid. Less irritating, but it's still powerful. Prescription retinoids like Retin-A or Stevia-A are pretty strong, so your skin is likely to get sensitive and irritated for a while. To make a long story short, why I recommend Differin for you? Because Differin is gentler on your skin while still effective. It makes your skin look younger with much less irritating. It is an over-the-counter product in US and it is very affordable. Differin gel is designed to treat acne, but because it contains a topical vitamin A retinoid, it has many benefits for your skin. With regular use, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles by increasing the production of collagen. It makes your skin thick. Adapalane is anti-inflammatory, so it helps with redness and inflammation. It also stimulates the production of new blood vessels in the skin, which improves skin color. Also, it helps to improve skin texture, wrinkles, sun damage, enlarged pores, acne, and fading age spots. I've been using Differin for 5 years and I finally cleared my acne and acne scars everywhere. Now I have the best skin ever, thicker, smoother, better texture and glowing skin. I couldn't be happier. I absolutely love it. So how to apply Differin? Although Adapalane has less severe side effects than other retinoids, but it is still strong compared to other over-the-counter vitamin A creams. When you purchase the Differin, please read the instructions carefully before use. You only need a pea-sized amount for your entire face. Slowly increase the amount as your skin adjusts. Only use it every 2nd or 3rd night to begin with. Avoid the sensitive areas like around your eyes, corner of nose, and mouth. Avoid exfoliation. Moisturizing well. Wear sunscreen during the day. I use a Differin once a day, almost every night. I apply a thin layer, wait for about 15 minutes, then apply my moisturizer. Of course, I used it last night. With the regular use, you will have much younger looking, healthy and glowing skin. Stop using expensive over-the-counter creams. Differin will fix the most aging skin issues. Thank you for watching. Would you like to be more beautiful and age beautifully and gracefully with me? Please subscribe my channel. I'll be with you. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.